Nayama. Fan off. Hello my dear kids, very good evening. This is Sundar Rabindranathan here. Hey guys, what's happening? How's everybody? Lovely. Hi Aditi. Hi Sidhu, Nitin, Sivarama Krishna. Welcome to Vedantu Young Wonders Beta. Thank you so much for joining. Guys, everyone, thanks a lot. We are continuing with part 2 of chapter air. Remember what we started, the one we started yesterday? So today will be part 2, and today we will deal with more terminologies and certain phenomenon concerning air. Phenomenon like what is air pressure, what is temperature, weather, climate, lot of things today. So it's going to be super interesting, and I want you to relate it because this is a completely relatable chapter. Relate it with what you see around. Right, in the news on a daily basis, if someone says today the air pressure is like this, today the temperature is like this, today we have a cyclonic rainfall on these places, you should be able to relate with what you're learning. Getting it? Great. This one is a class 7 chapter, but it's a very generic chapter which anyone can attend. Okay? Right, I think it's time. Let us slowly move on. Hi Shushma, welcome back. Someone was speaking about the schedule. I am hiding my screen. Look at the schedule clearly for yourself. So today we are in 27th of August, grade 7 air part 2. Lovely. That's about it. Hi Amrita. Nitin, I am fine. I am awesome. Thank you guys. I am bringing myself back on the screen. Hi Ashvi. So in case you are wondering what this channel, as someone said, Sivarama Krishna was saying, sir, I am new, right? So this is for people like him who do not know much about Vedantu Young Wonders. This channel is for 6th, 7th and 8th grade students. You have academic content, non-academic content. What we cover is mind-blowing. Academically, mathematics, science, social and English is what we cover. Entire year's chapter. Right? And non-academically, what you want, guys. So, you will see coding, series like coding, space, light, very interesting topics like Bermuda Triangle, black holes, so many a lot of interesting stuff. And you will also see motivational topics as well as guidance topics like how to become an IAS officer, how to become an ISRO scientist. Lot of lovely topics inside. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Looking forward, guys. Thank you so much. Hi Pranav. So regarding the homework for yesterday, it's a simple one, right? So which gas is used by plants to make their fruit, the green plants? Carbon dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen. I'm sure all of you know it, right? Guys, which is the right answer? See, starting from Kavita, everyone is saying CO2, carbon dioxide. Yes? Who are the first 3 to answer immediately? Vibhusha Kumaresan and Sneha Kumari as well as Sanvi. Top 3 in fact. Great job done, guys. Doraemon is saying amazing. Okay, please thank her. Sahil sir is a little busy with content, guys. He will come whenever he is free. He will definitely come. Alright guys, as usual we will start with the fun fact. There is a tree, you know what, see, I do not know if you guys have heard about trees. In one tree, different types of fruits are growing. And that tree is called salad tree. Salad tree, and it has almost like 3 to 7 different types of fruits in the same tree. That is interesting, right? So this is a fact that you need to. So to know more about solar tree, just Google it and you will get umpty information on that. Awesome. So I think it's time. Let's start. All right. So our mop man has come, saying let us start. Yeah. Yes. Shall we? Yes. Yesterday. That session is starting today. Okay, guys. So geography chapter part 2 of air. Today we will deal with what is weather, what is climate, what's temperature, air pressure, wind and moisture. So these are things that we are going to see. So let us move on without spending more time. Guys, what is weather and what is climate? Any idea what is the difference between the two? Weather and climate. Any idea? Come on, come on, come on. Give it a shot. Let me see if you guys are able to identify the difference. Menti will be there at the end. Nathan. Weather long period, climate short period. Kavita, are you sure? Weather short period, climate long period. So guys, weather can be changing. Now the weather is pretty cool. Morning the weather was very hot. So weather is, something that changes with time on a daily basis, hourly basis, minute basis. That is weather. Weather is the dynamic phenomenon, right? It keeps changing. Climate is the weather pattern of a region over a period of time. I repeat, the weather pattern of a region over a period of time. Say, I'll give you an example. If you say, in Bangalore, every day you will see that the weather is always cool. That means the climate of Bangalore is cool because that's the weather pattern. Are you understanding the difference between weather and climate? All of you? Hi Sanchi, I am fine, beta. Exactly. Weather is momentary, dynamic. Climate is a pattern observed over at least a year or more. Superb. So weather is the hour to hour, day to day condition of the atmosphere. Weather can change from hour to hour or day to day. Dynamic in nature. Right? Look at that picture. Partly sunny, partly cloudy, mostly cloudy, cloudy, hazy, thunderstorm, rain, sleet, flurries, snow and sunny. So if you look at it, all these things are phenomenon of weather. Now moving back. However, the pattern of weather or of a region over a long period of time, that represents the climate of that region. Hey guys, give me a yo if you're clear. Exactly, Vimal Kumar, you are bang on. Manat, we just started. Now you want to start Menti. So temperature, guys, what is temperature? What is temperature? What is temperature? Surya Narayanan is saying, sir, it is easy. Yeah, it is. Lazia, climate is, see, I have a region. Say, let me take a region, Kashmir. Over a period of time, when I keep analyzing the weather, the average temperature of Kashmir is, say, 10 degrees all the time. That means the climate of Kashmir is very cool. Are you understanding? So, the weather pattern of a region over a period of time, a long period of time, indicates the climate of that region. Clear? Yeah, temperature shows hotness or coldness of the body, not just body, it could be air also. The amount of heat that is there in the air. So, the degree of hotness or coldness that is there in the air, you call it as temperature. Guys, I repeat, how much heat, the amount of heat that is there in the air, alright, the degree of hotness or coldness. If the, see, it is hotness. If hotness is very less, it is coldness, right? I repeat, if hotness is not at all there, it is coldness. So the degree of hotness and coldness in the air is called as temperature. So temperature changes day and night, season and season. So summers are generally hotter than winters. See, all these things, you guys know it. Cool? Hey Apex Rail, how are you? Now, when it comes to distribution of temperature, guys, across the world you will see a few regions which are very hot, few regions which are very cold, correct? The distribution of temperature among the earth depends a lot on the amount of sunlight entering the earth. I repeat, the amount of solar radiation or sunlight entering the earth. That is called insolation. I repeat, the temperature of a region depends a lot on the amount of sunlight entering that region. And that is called as insolation. Clear? So generally, the amount of sunlight decreases. It is the highest near the equator. As you go from the equator towards one corner, that is towards the pole, slowly the temperature comes down, down, down and down. Clear? That's why in the poles it will be the lowest. Guys, is everyone, are you understanding what is insolation and how is it affecting the temperature of the region? Very simple, right? Homemade recipes, what is your doubt? Shavi, right now we don't have a channel for class 5. I am already working on it. You will get one very soon. So coming back, guys. Awesome. Someone is saying no. Guys, right now I am in, say Chennai. Very, very hot because lot of sunlight is entering here. This is called insolation. How much sunlight is entering, how much solar energy is coming in, that decides the temperature. So this concept of the amount of sunlight entering the earth in any region is called insolation. Clear? Right. So generally, guys, remember this, all of you, temperature in cities is always higher than villages. Any idea why temperature in cities is higher than villages? Guys, come on, come on, come on. Any idea why the temperature in cities is higher than villages? Come on, guys, let me see what you guys are saying. Yeah, less trees are there, lot of metals, lot of asphalt in the road, right? The tar roads, as you call it, because of which lot of heat comes up. And that in the night time especially, all the heat retained comes out. It will be so hot. So the concrete and the metals, the asphalt of roads, everything put together heats up, right? Heats up the earth. That is why the temperature in cities is very high. However, in villages you will have a lot of trees to absorb all the sunlight, and you will have a lot of shadows naturally, because of which you will see the temperature is considerably less than that of cities. Now, guys, moving on to Yapala greenhouse gas. CO2 is the most needed for plants which we inhale, but it is not just which we, the one that we exhale. Apart from that, when you burn, fuels, right, all the polluted elements will have CO2. That causes a lot of disturbance. Now coming to weather instruments, guys. Yeah, Mrityunjay, you are right. When you cut down trees, that place is likely to become hot, right? So now what are the different instruments with which we can measure aspects of weather? Thermometer is used. All of us know it is used for measuring temperature. What is the degree of heat, hotness or coldness in the air? Barometer. Barometer is to understand the pressure. I'll explain to you what is pressure. Okay, don't worry. Rain gauge is for you to understand how much rain has come. And wind vane. Alright, at the top you will see it will show the direction of the wind. Is it a westerly wind? Is it a easterly wind? Where is it, from where to where the wind is blowing? That is what you call wind vane. Wind vane generally keeps moving towards the direction of the wind. Hey guys, are you clear with all the 4 weather instruments? Thermometer for temperature, barometer for air pressure, right? And rain gauge is for measuring how much rain, how many centimeters, millimeters of rainfall has come. Wind vane is for showing the direction of wind. If everyone is clear, give me a yo. Yo, everyone is giving a yo. Awesome. All the best, Awakening Diaries. Let us see. So, air pressure. Guys, right now I am sitting in a chair. I have my own body weight, which is putting pressure on the chair. Correct? Agreed, all of you? Similarly, though air is not visible for all, air has its own mass, which it is putting pressure on the earth. Correct? The amount of air present in the atmosphere, it puts certain pressure on the earth. That is called air pressure. Are you understanding what is air pressure? Now I hope all of you are clear. Hey Manat, Oreo is with Pritesh here, not with me. Cool. So the pressure, the weight of the air puts a lot of pressure, okay, and that is what you call air pressure. Now remember, all of you remember this. Air pressure, see right now when I am sitting, which is the place where my pressure, the air, pressure is the highest? The place where I sit, that is that has the maximum pressure. So as we go up and up and up, as you go higher, you will see the pressure starts coming down. The pressure is always at the highest at the bottom, and it keeps coming down as you go higher. As your air goes higher and higher and higher, pressure decreases. Pressure starts falling rapidly. Everyone clear with this? Right. So the air pressure is highest at the sea level, alright, because water is lot prone to pressure, and as it goes higher, pressure decreases. Very simple. So the distribution of air generally, sir, how is air distributed? It is influenced by the temperature. How is air pressure distributed? It's influenced by the temperature of a place. Guys, remember this. Areas where temperature is high, temperature is very high, it's very hot, right? Because of which air gets heated. Whenever air is heated, it starts going up. Remember this. Whenever air is heated, it starts going up. Alright, when air is heated, it starts going up. Suddenly the other portions start cooling down, right? When the hot air goes up, the empty area becomes cold. This is called low pressure. So when the hot air goes up, the area becomes it starts having low pressure. Guys, are you understanding? Very simple. Air pressure is the amount of air puts all the weight on the earth, creating air pressure. Air pressure is highest at the bottom. As it goes higher and higher and higher, pressure decreases. Whenever the temperature is high, you will see that air starts getting heated. When air becomes hot, it starts rising up. Correct? Guys, when you put water and start heating it, what happens? I repeat, when you put water and start heating that, what happens? Have you seen the air or the steam? How does it go? Exactly. It starts going up. Correct? Thus, similarly, whenever air gets heated, it starts going up, leaving the below area with a low pressure. It's called low pressure area. So low pressure generally will have cloudy skies and wet weather. Okay, it becomes cool. Look at that picture. When it is low pressure, alright, air is already high, it goes high, pressure comes down, starts raining. Cool? Okay. So in areas having lower temperature, the air is cold and heavy. Whenever the temperature is low, air is dense because moisture is there inside, it is very heavy. So high pressure is generally, associated with very clear skies because the air is already, very clear and sunny skies. So remember this, guys, all of you, air moves from high pressure, that is from bottom, to low pressure area, which is high. Are you getting it? So air always moves from high pressure to low pressure area. Is everyone understanding what I am saying, guys? If you are very clear, give me a yo. It's pretty simple. When air, when the temperature is high, air is heated, it starts going up, creating a low pressure area. The same is what is mentioned here. Whenever the temperature is very low, air is very thick, cold and heavy. Alright. And heavy air sinks in, creating a high pressure area. High pressure, you will always see, it is associated with clear and sunny skies. And always remember, air moves from high pressure to low pressure. Low pressure is always higher. Air goes, above and above. Look at this picture. Right. Now wind. So guys, what is wind, by the way? What is wind? What is wind? I have already given you a clue. If you are very smart, you will figure it out. I have given this answer already. What is wind? Moving air is called wind, but from where to where it is moving? Just now I spoke about pressure, right? From which pressure to other pressure zone air moves? Yeah. So from high pressure to low pressure area, movement of the air is called wind. Right? So winds are divided into three: permanent winds, seasonal winds, and local winds. Guys, permanent winds, you will see any region, certain types of air movement, it will always be there throughout the year. You can always say, this time you will see this, it will be like this, the wind will be like this. This time it will be, it will be hot. That these are called permanent winds. Seasonal winds, suddenly, when cyclone happens, suddenly because of the change in climate, seasonal winds occur. Okay, local winds have something to do with a particular place. I'll explain to you. Permanent winds, the trade winds, westerlies. Westerlies are winds, by the way, westerly means winds blowing from west to east. They are called westerlies. East to west are called easterlies. They are generally permanent winds. Throughout the year you will see these winds are always there. Cool? Seasonal winds. Seasonal winds, they keep changing. Depending monsoon season, the winds are blow from one direction to other. When the season is over, again the direction changes. These are called seasonal winds. Example is monsoons. Hey guys, are you understanding permanent winds and seasonal winds, all of you? Yeah? Good to see many of you are pretty clear with this. Lovely. Local winds, it has something to do with the area. See, when you look at seashore areas near the sea, right? They have a lot of seasonal winds. You can tell by 5 o'clock every day you will have sea breeze. That such sea breeze concept is nothing but the local winds. Particular time of the day these winds will blow, and they are region specific. They are local winds. Cool? Okay, cool. Guys, are you clear till this? We are almost done Once I explain you the, take you through these few slides, then we are getting into a Menti. Ready? Awesome. All right, guys. Now, I do not know, guys. You would have seen teachers, right? Everyone, you have your own style of studying. But what matters more end of the day is two things. One, are you able to understand all what you are studying? Number one, anything for that matter. Number two, are you able to enjoy studying? What do I mean by that? Is your teacher making studying real fun? Now at Vedantu, we have the master teachers who will make everything super fun for all of you. Alright, you will be so clear because even the most boring, complicated concepts, they make it simple and exciting for you. So Vedantu has come out with a subscription called Vedantu Pro, where you will see, unlimited live class with these kind of teachers will be given. You know what, guys? Something special. Vedantu is giving you a Vedantu improvement promise, a guarantee that your marks will improve, provided you do something. I'll explain you what it is. Okay? So Vedantu improvement promise, minimum 75% attendance and 75% test completion in this subscription. We assure you improvement in your marks. Sir, what do you mean by promise? By promise, what we are saying is, hi Shamas. Thank you, Saurabh. So what I am saying is, by promise, in case your marks are not improving, despite what we are asking, you doing what we are asking, no questions asked, take your course fee back. Awesome. Sir, what is so special about this subscription? This subscription will give you unlimited classes with those amazing teachers. Unlimited classes with great teachers is not that easy, guys. They're always tied up and busy. And as a student, when you learn from these teachers, you love studying, number one, and you will see that you're so confident because you are understanding everything. And in case you miss a session, you are absent, we give you recordings which you can watch and make yourself clear about. And when the teacher is teaching, focus only on their teaching, because you can write, right? Because you can, or you need not write, take notes from what the teacher is teaching. End of the session, just in one click, all what the teacher has written on the board, you can download as a PDF. Clear? Awesome. Alright, guys, on top of this, n number of doubts, get them solved inside the class. Don't go out of the class without leaving any doubts solved. Above this, unlimited micro courses, topic wise, chapter wise courses for boards, competitive exams and all. We also give you free access to crash courses. Guys, you don't get so many things in one subscription, trust me. On top of that, a VIP guarantee also. So lot of features, 6 subjects, less price. Maths, physics, chemistry, biology, English, social. 6 subjects. You know what is the price? Before I tell you the price, note down the link in the description box. If you want to join, sir, I want to join, I really like it. The link, blue color link in the description box is there, right? Click on that link, note down this coupon code SRPRO. So SRPRO, that will help you get a good discount also. Guys, once you click on the link, it will ask you for your grade and board. Type them, you will be brought to this page. You see there are 3 variants of the subscription. If you are looking for unlimited classes from these teachers, tests, assignments and doubt solving inside the class, take up the first one, light. If you say, sir, along with this, I also want doubt solving outside the class, take up classic. If you say, sir, along with all these things, both light as well as classic, I want an academic coach, a personal mentor, and I don't want too many people in the class. I want a maximum 15 is fine. Take up premium. These are the 3 subscriptions. Guys, you have 2 options. Either you can try for 1 month or you can buy the complete course. If you want to try for 1 month or buying the complete course, you always have this option of apply coupon. When you apply, click on apply coupon, type the coupon code SRPRO to get a discount. SRPRO to get a discount. SR stands for Sundar, by the way. That's my coupon code. Guys, look at this. 1 month if you want to try, It just costs you 6 subjects 1710 for 1 month for light. 1 month of classic costs you 2520 and 1 month of premium costs you 5400. Cool? So on top of all these things, all the features, less price, you also have the Vedantu guarantee. What more you want? Guys, I want to tell you this. There is something super exciting coming your way. Watch out. I will tell you over the next 3-4 days what is so exciting which is coming in. But meanwhile, this is that has something to do with the subscription. You can take it out. So the Vedantu guarantee says 75% of attendance, 75% of test completion. We guarantee improvement in your marks. Otherwise, take your money back. Sir, when is the batch starting? Next batch is on 30th August and the next one after that is on 13th September. If you are looking for JEE or NEET foundation courses, 30th August is when it is starting. Cool? Okay. Okay, Samhita, you have always been asking me, right? Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi,
What's your name?
my name is Neha.
Okay, cool. Thank you. Samhita, I think what I have to do on Sunday, I did today, okay? Right. Guys, coming back. Going back, pro premium if you want to pick up, right? The next batch is starting on these dates. CBSE, ICSE is on 6th September. Guys, make use of it. It's a really good opportunity with the best teachers. Yes, guys, she's my daughter. Her name is Neha. Right? So the coupon code is there. Guests are PRO. The link is there in your description box. Cool? Okay, guys, coming back to our class. Moisture. Guys, we are getting into a Menti. Be ready. Guys, what is moisture, by the way? Any idea? What is moisture, by the way? What is moisture, by the way? The amount of water contained in air. Yeah, put it in another word. It's water vapor. You can't have water in air, right? So when air gets heated, it is water vapor. How much water vapor is in the air? That is called moisture. So when water evaporates from land, it becomes water vapor. So moisture in the air is called humidity. So it is nothing but the amount of water vapor that is there in the air. So whenever air is full of water vapor, you call it like, my God, it is so humid today. When the air gets warmer, okay, it cannot hold a lot of water vapor. But when it gets warmer and warmer, the ability of air to hold water vapor, it increases. So you will see the entire climate, weather becoming humid, more and more humid. I repeat, when it becomes hot, a lot hot, you will see more of water vapor. The ability of air to hold more water vapor increases with temperature. And so you will see the entire weather becoming more and more humid. Clear? Hey guys, are you understanding? Water vapor is evaporated water. Okay. Water in a gaseous form, water vapor. Okay, cool. So when water vapor starts, there it is in the air, right? When it starts rising, as I told you, when it goes higher and higher, it becomes cold. And water vapor slowly start condensing, creating droplet. The vapor becomes drops of water. Guys, when you heat water, when you are heating water, when you put a lid above, what happens? The vapor goes, it starts condensing, it becomes drops of water and comes down. You would have seen that. How many of you seen that? All of you would have seen that. When you heat water in a proper, in a container and you put a lid on it, you will see what happens to the lid. The water becomes vapor, hits the lid, slowly condenses, becomes water droplet, comes down. Correct? That This is exactly how clouds also operate. So water vapor, it starts rising high and high and high, gets into the clouds. Clouds are nothing but mass of water, of such water droplets. So when these water droplets become too heavy, clouds just drop them, and that we call as rainfall, precipitation or rainfall. Cool? So precipitation that comes down the earth you call as rainfall. So generally there are three types of rainfall, guys: convectional, orographic and cyclonic. Normal rainfall, which happens because of earth heating up, right? Air pressure raising, it going up, condensing and falling as rain. You call that orthodox of rainfall methodology as convectional rainfall. But when the same happens near mountains and all, you will see, the phenomenon is different, right? It is orographic rainfall. Generally it happens near mountains. Okay? So cyclonic rainfall happens due to differences in pressure. Okay? Alright? Okay guys, if you guys are clear. If you guys are alright, there are a few who are putting in questions. Put hashtag Shiksha and put your questions. Since there are many, I will try and ensure that, I'll try and ensure that I answer all these questions. Okay? Right guys, are you guys ready for a Menti, by the way? Yeah, everyone. Awesome. Then here you have it. Before that, the homework for today. Ready for the homework? Everyone pounce on it. Here comes the homework for you. True or false? Air moves from high pressure to low pressure. Hot air is dense and heavy and cold air is lighter and expands. Number 2. Number 3. Clouds are mass of water droplets. Guys, true or false? So choose, put like T, F, 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 T, T, whatever it is, and then put it in the comments box. First 3 people, I'll say their names in the next session. Menti code for you. Guys, here comes the Menti code 38066. 38066953. By the way, guys, is everyone clear with the concept of air? Part 1, part 2, 2 parts we have dealt with. Now I hope you know what is air. You also know what is moisture. What do we mean by humid day? What do we mean by temperature? What do we mean by weather? What do we mean by climate? Right. Cool? Okay. Right, here we go, guys. So if you are very clear, please hit the like button. Sir, I am pretty clear with all what we dealt with. Alright, if there are doubts also, don't worry about it. Please put hashtag Shiksha and type in your doubt. So guys, if you guys are pretty clear about it, hit the like button and let me know you liked it. No problem, Samita. Awakening diaries, I'll answer everything, don't worry. Wrinkle. Frankly, I don't know, beta. Okay, are you guys ready? Quick, guys. There is not much time. First question hitting your screens now. Dash is this hour-to-hour, day-to-day condition of the atmosphere. What do you call that as? Wind, weather, season, climate. Something that keeps changing hour-to-hour, day-to-day basis. The atmospheric changes. What do you call that as? Wind, weather, season, climate. Yeah, let us see. 5 minutes. Yeah, what is your doubt, beta? So most of you got it right. It is weather. Weather is the dynamic change in the atmosphere on an hourly, daily basis, right? So after one question, Namita is at the top, followed by X, Zebra, Clippy, Devanshi, Lomesh. Top 5. Raini, Vanshika, Arya, Agent, and Abhigyan. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Question number 2. Here it is, guys, on your screens. Now, as we dash the layers of the atmosphere, the pressure increases, decreases, go high, go low. So go up, rise, go down, falls, go down, does not change, go up, falls. Which is the right one? Shrin, 38066953. 38066953. Guys, as the air goes up, right, towards the layers of the atmosphere, you will see the pressure starts dropping down. So after 2 questions, Abhigyan, Sharan, no, Lakshana is at the top if I am not wrong. Lakshana, high five Lakshana. Tweedy, Bill, Abhigyan, Lasya, top 5. Frosty, Ulma, Chaitanya, Sharan and Rehana. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So guys, question number 3. Here it is. The degree of hotness and coolness in the air is called weather, temperature, climate, season. Simple, right? It's very, very simple question. Hi, Mihika, how are you? Samita, I think I answered that, beta. There might be multiple people with the same rank. Then Menti goes and digs deep. What exactly is the points it will look at? So some micro level points will be different. Whoever is at the top, they will put their names. Temperature is the right answer. Degree of hotness and coolness, right? So almost all of you got it right. Lovely. So guys, 3 questions are done. And after that, I see Lakshana is at the top, followed by Tweedy, Bill, Abhigyan and Lasya, top 5. Chaitanya, Frosty, Ulma, Charan and Rehana. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Question 4. Be ready all of you. Just one more. So buckle up, guys. The air pressure is highest where? Plains, plateaus, sea levels, mountains. I have clearly told this. So there is no way you guys can miss it. If you have listened to me, you will get this right. Air pressure is very high in some place, and I also told you why. Khan Huzaibi, focus on the session here. There is no one at home. I need to keep a watch on my daughter. That's why I keep looking at what she is doing. She is very, very, very playful. That's why. Alright, guys, so many of you chose plains. Plains and mountains, no. Air pressure is highest at sea level because I told you water is prone to pressure. Water is prone to pressure. You press water, it goes in, right? You know it, right? Come on, guys, I spoke about this. 59 of you. In fact, many of you got it right. So I'm happy about it. So now, after 4 questions, the leaderboard says Abhigyan is well at the top with a good lead, followed by Lasya, Chaitanya, Charan, Rehana, top 5. Ulma, Mayuresh, Shamas, Raini and X Zebra. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Guys, are you ready for the final question? Here it is. Bang. Pressure is associated with cloudy skies and wet weather. What pressure? Normal, low or high pressure? Which is the right one? Cloudy skies and wet weather. If that is the case, what kind of pressure will be there? Normal pressure, low pressure, high pressure? How many of you chose option B? Hey guys, I always said high pressure means clear skies here. Come on guys. So now, who's going to win? Oh no, Abhigyan went down. Last question, unfortunately. Now Sharan is winning if I'm not wrong. Sharan, Chetan, Rehana, Ulma. Guys, great job done. Congratulations, Sharan and Chetan. Great job done. So, Rehana, Ulma. My God, I'm not able to see the name properly. And X-Zebra. Rainy, Agent X9, Sahil, Pushp Yadav and Abhigyan. Guys, everyone in the leaderboard, great job done. Keep it up. So, there could be so many of you got right answers. You might also got ranks like 1, 2, 3 or 5, in fact 10 or so. But it is not showing in the leaderboard. It is okay. It takes, Menti looks at micro level points. Just practice guys. You guys are also winners according to me. Keep it up. Hey guys, did you enjoy the session? Are you super clear about whatever that happened till now? Yeah? Are you? Hit the like button then and let me know you like the session. That's the only way I figure out that you guys are liking it. Right? So thanks a lot guys. Lovely interacting with all of you. Until I see you in the next session, I'm going to speak about a very interesting topic on Sunday, the Kargil war. You will see how it all started. What exactly happened? How did people capture Kargil? And then how did we fight back and, so I would say, sent out all of them. Alright, how did we win the Kargil war? Everything I'm going to speak about it on Sunday. Sunday 6 p.m. guys, I will meet you. Until then, this is myself Sundar Rabindranath signing off. Take care and bye-bye.